morning, students. I am Mrs. Ramna Tilagam, your social science teacher. I hope you all attended the previous social science class last Friday. Let us enter into the lesson. Today our topics are peace settlement, fallout of the First World War and the impact on India. Now we are seeing about the criticism of the peace settlement. The defected powers were absent from the negotiations. The peace settlement, a dedicated one, was based on the principle to the victor belongs to the spoil and the alliance are the victors. The defected powers. The defected powers are Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey and Bulgaria were absent from the negotiations. Self-determination was the principle which was one of the 14 points of Woodrow Wilson for restoring peace applied for all the peoples except German. US President Woodrow Wilson had laid out in the famous 14 points in early 1918. It restored peace so applied all the people except German. The reparation of 6,600 million pounds was beyond Germany's capacity to pay. In this, the nation's burden of reparations of 6,600 million pounds, a sum of great that no one except Germany to be able to pay in full. Then the fourth point, Germany was weakened politically and economically, but instead of having the large Russia and Austria-Hungarian empires on her eastern frontier, she was now bordered by small, weak and new states. In this, Germany was weak both politically and economically. It was bordered by small, weak and new states. Wilson buried the Germans and Austrians too, whom he had made promises. In 1920, the United States took to a policy of isolation. When the Senate refused to ratify the Treaty of Versailles, only a greatly weakened France, with the qualified support of Britain, was left to face Germany's potential strength. Thus, the US took to the policy of isolation. William prepared Germans and Australians, so France only gave the support to the Britain. Sixth one, Italy was much disappointed at the peace settlement. Despite suffering heavily, she was giving merely small places such as Terres Istre and the Southern Tyrol. The population of the Europe was so mixed that it was impossible to draw up clearly national frontiers with ethics homogeneity. Finally, the settlement created many national minorities within states. Countries gave promises to respect the rights of minorities, but often nations turned bitter. Here, the European population was mixed one. It was not possible separated everyone by their languages, race, custom, and nationalities. So, the settlement created the many national minorities. Separate treaties were drawn up and signed by the alliance with Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria and Turkey. The treaty with Turkey, though accepted by the Sultan, failed because of the resistance of the Muzaffar Kemal Pasha and his followers. There were many separate treaties signed by the alliance country and Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria and Turkey. Fallout of the First World War. The First World War left a deep impact on European society and politics. Through the conspiration and through air aids, the war had involved and affected far more of the population than the past. In the whole of the previous century, from the Napoleonic War to the Balkan War of 1912 to 1913, Europe had lost fewer than 4.5 men. Now, at least 8 million had died in 4 years. Here, many lost their lives in First World War. They suffered from poverty and unemployment. Nearby 8 million people were died in that 4 years from 1914 to 1918. Europe had lost fewer than 4.5 million men. Now at least 8 million had died in 4 years, while more than twice as many were wounded and many slipped from the life. Millions more had succumbed to the worldwide infusion of 1918. The outcome in all countries was imbalance between the sexes, a shortage of men. Soldiers came to be placed above the civilizations. Aggressive war proclaimed and national honor occupied center stage in the public sphere. Popular support grew in the favor of dictatorship in the state government. The effect of the First World War are still being felt a century after its conclusion. It was deathless war which involved more countries and war more expansive than any other war before it. The weapons used during the First World War was also more advanced than any previous war. Over the 8 million military personnel died during this war and more than twice were permanently disabled. So the country was imbalanced between the male and female sex ratio. There was a shortage of male. The war and its aftermath turned out to be a stirring period of history. The most stirring of all was the rise and consolidation of the Soviet Union, the USSR, or the Union of Socialist and Soviet Republics, as it was called. The United States of America, escaping all the troubles the Western Europe had no suffered, proposed exiting in the post-war years. America entered the war as a debtor country, but it emerged as a money lender to the world in the aftermath of the war. In this, first the war in its aftermath, Russia was called after the First World War as USSR. It stands for Union of Socialist and Soviet Republics. United States did not affected much in this war. The Western European countries were deeply involved in the war. The war changed the economical balance of the world, leaving European countries deep in debt and making the US creditor in the world. America entered the war as a debtor country, but it was emerged the stage of world money lender. Another outstanding event for this period was awakening of the colonies and their inspired attempt to gain freedom. In Asia and Africa, powerful movement and in some places even rebellions against Western imperialism became order to the day. The World War largely marked the end of the colonization as the people became more nationalist and one country after the other states colonial rewards. Turkey's rebirth as a nation, thanks to the role played by Mustafa Kemal Pasha, was remarkable. Kemal Pasha modernized Turkey was changed out of the recognized. He put the end of the Sultanate under the Caliphate. The support of the Soviet Union was a great help to him. All the struggle from the freedom in Asia and Africa illustrated how a new spirit abroad was affecting the mind of men and women in distant countries of the Eastern simultaneously. The war gave a great fill-up to the woman movement in the West and the East. So the war changed the economical balance of the world, leaving European countries deep into the debtor and making the US leading the industrial power and the creditor in the world. Inflation shoot up in the most countries and the German economy was highly affected by having a pay for the reparations. Impact on India. The First World War had a significant impact on India. Even though Europe was the main theater of the war, fighting took place in other parts of the world as well. The British recommended as vast contingent from the Indians to serve in the Europe, Africa and West Asia. After the war, the soldiers came back with new ideas which had an impact on the Indian society. India contribute pounds 230 millions in a cash and over 125 pounds million in loans toward war expensive. India also sent war material to the valuable 250 million pounds. This caused enormous economic distress. There were grain reward as poor people looted the shops. Toward the end of the war, India too suffered under the worldwide epidemics. Impact on India. In the period of First World War I, India was under the colonization of British. The British recommended a vast contingent of Indians to serve the other countries so the soldiers had new ideas. It had an impact on the Indian society. India gave cash for the loan toward the war expensive. Let the great economic distress. The people were poor and they looted the shops for their daily needs, and some of the epidemics were spread all over the country. The war condition led to the rise of Home Rule movement in India. The Congress was reunited during the war. Western revolutionaries' idea infused the radical nationalists and so the British tried to suppress the national movement by passing repressive acts. International events to have their impact on India, such as revolution in Russia, the defeat of Turkey in World War I under the terms of the Turkey also signed therefore undermined the position of Sultan of Turkey as Khilafat. Out of the rearmament was the born of Khilafat movement. India and Indians had taken an active part in the world war, believing that Britain could reward Indian loyalty. But only disappointment was bestowed. Thus, the war had multiple effects on the Indian society economically and politically. In this, India had having some of the changes in the period. The rises of Home Rule movement, the reunion of the Congress, British tried to suppress the national movements and the born of Khilafat movements. So India also indirectly participating in the First World War. India and the Indians had taken an active part with the war because British promised that it could reward the Indians' loyalty. But only disappointment was in store. Thus, the war had multiple effects on the Indian society, socially, economically, and politically. I hope you